it is now very obvious that of a truth, Nigeria is practicing two constitutions. One for normal Nigerians, then the other one for the Igbos. Let's put it that way. Because from what happened now, from what just happened in court with this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case, it is now obvious that of a truth, Nigeria knows exactly what they are doing. It is not by mistake. It is not a fluke. Today, Nnamdi Kanu's no case that he filed in the court has been dismissed by the court, and the court orders him to file for defense. I was thinking that with what has been happening since, with the way they are giving the bandits hand in the north, they would have, tried to save their face and say, okay, this man, you should go. True, you did not do anything. But it is now obvious that they are very much unapologetic with what they are doing. Unapologetic. They know what they are doing and they stand by it, and they don't want to repent from it. So tell me why somebody, you spent your hard-earned money, you spend the country's money, the taxpayers' money, travel all the way from Nigeria to Kenya at night. Traveling at night is always very difficult. You travel, you went through all those difficulties, settle some magos, settle all those things to Kenya, carried this man all the way from Kenya to Nigeria at night, brought him back. You went through all those things, all those process, for someone that you did not catch with knife, you did not catch him with stick, you did not catch him with gun. You spent all this time, you went through all these difficulties just to bring him back, to nail him. Because of what? Because you said that he said something. He said something from his mouth. You said that he instigated. He said. Now do the case now. Finish this case. Let him go. Or you prosecute him. Or you sentence him. You don't want to do that. All you do is you bring him to court, you take him back. You bring him to court, you take him back. Meanwhile, this man has been complaining that his health is deteriorating. All this while, he needs a proper medical attention. You don't want to hear that one. But somebody that agreed that he is a bandit, he owned it up with his full chest and said that, yes, I am doing banditry in the north. He does not hide it. You see him, you are seeing him every day with guns. He goes into villages, seize villages, charge them, collect money from their hand, carry people from the village, request for ransom. You see all these things. You did not do anything. All you could do is to call the person and say, come, let us negotiate. You want to negotiate with someone that has gun, someone with gun. But you want to nail forever somebody that you said that he said something. Somebody that what you say, the only thing you have against this man is that you said he said something. You have never caught this man naming anybody. And what is it? What is the thing that he's saying? He said that he doesn't want to belong to the country. From your action now, you are validating what he has been saying. Because if you could treat this, if you could treat a bandit differently, separately, specially, and treat his own case this way, it means that you are validating what he's saying. It means if somebody would not like to belong in such country. Who would like to belong in such country? Where you have two separate constitutions for this kind of people and this kind of people. When they say that they don't want to belong, it looks like another thing. They would have, I thought the court would have used this thing to save their face. At least to say, yes, we are one. But you are validating his action. You are validating whatever he has been saying. You are validating it. How can he want to now belong to this same country again? How would you want him to belong in the country? How would you want him to bend his neck and say, oh, okay, this is actually my country? If actually what you want to do is to teach him a lesson. It's obvious. It is now becoming very obvious. Very, very obvious. Where are we going to? I thought that by today they would save faces. They would save face. Because it has been hearing. Other countries, what you hear is, you will hear government shouting, we don't negotiate with bandits. We don't negotiate with terrorists. Government will be saying it. In Nigeria, it is the other way around. Bandit is telling federal government, we don't want to negotiate with bandits. we don't negotiate with federal government. They make demands. Bandits are making demands in a country. They are making demands, telling government what they want. When they want to have peace talk. When they want to have peace talk, they tell you, give you condition of what they want. But somebody that has been saying that there is injustice in a country that you say he belongs to, he has been shouting for injustice, shouting for justice, asking for justice. You nailed him. You call that one treasonable offense. Meanwhile, a bandit is coming out telling you to your face, you saw gun. You're no longer afraid of gun. Gun becomes souvenir. If you see the way they were very relaxed. Very relaxed. I could remember one custom officer was saying that he met some bandits in the bush. They were carrying gun. He said, oh, they were actually friendly. My God. they were friendly with us. For this country, all of a sudden, gun became stick. Gun became my comb. In this country. And Nigerians said, I'm saying this thing, if you people don't rise up and everybody starts talking about this, it will affect everybody. Because injustice to one is injustice to all. If you take it maybe because the person they are doing this to, you don't like the person. Therefore, whatever he see, he should take it. Time will come when they will do the same thing to somebody that you like, or to you, even yourself, and everybody will keep quiet. It will continue. It is appalling and annoying. I don't believe that this thing could be happening in Nigeria. I never believed. I thought they would use this opportunity. Now that everybody is saying it, why would the federal government be negotiating with bandits? Why would they be having peace talk with bandits? I thought by now they would say, okay, let's save our face. This Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, let's release him. At least. Their offense is not even the same. Because this one is talking, the other one is doing. Mamma mia.
Intimidate you people because we learned that the SSS are even trying to intimidate eminent Professor Emeritus, Professor Araj, who has been a Provost College of Medicine, University of Nigeria, who has been a dean. His medical record is there. And somebody that is not even a consultant is questioning the report given by Araj. Now the team, you people, constituted, met Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that was 3 days ago, at the DSSS, and Nnamdi Kanu subjected himself. We have that report. That report, as people have it, provide it in court. Having said that, now, what gave rise to this particular issue of medical council is the petition I personally submitted against Dr. Mohammed Nasiru from DSSS, the doctor that never examined Nnamdi Kanu, but he decided to depose falsely on oath. 37 paragraph affidavit. I submitted that petition. It was on that basis that Attorney General ordered the medical council to constitute a different board. We have been following it up, and that petition must be heard. And the Dr. Nasri should be, with his license as a medical doctor, if he is, should be withdrawn. I, Chief Barrister Maxwell Opera PhD, is submitting. We should be there. Just like what Honorable said, I'm highly disappointed to my fellow Igbo people.
Oh my God.
Nnamdi Kanu is suffering this because he's an Igbo.
Yes.
We must say it.
Yes.
Had it been that Nnamdi Kanu is from the north or from the southwest, he wouldn't have been there by now.
He would have been free.
And everybody's keeping quiet. Both the religious leaders, both the political leaders, both those in diaspora. Nothing is happening. You feel that Nnamdi Kanu listen, I'm highly disappointed. So this the judge said that he's not aware of extraordinary rendition. We are taking it like that. We are going to bring a formal application. We are going to attach all the whole judgment given by even Kenya. The country said that yes, our country did not do well. Now Malami is now, he has turned activist. The Malami that comes in, he has turned activist. He's now in opposition. As you are doing anything, remember that you cannot be in government forever.
Yes, tomorrow.
That is my message to you. Thank you.
I want to say something.
And finally, hold on. And finally, to conclude everything, it is despicable. We take a serious exception to the fact that the doctor that examined Onyendu, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, emeritus professor of medicine, well renowned all over the world, that someone from the government side reported him to the Nigerian Medical Association, and he was summoned to Lagos to face a panel, all because he returned the truthful diagnosis on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So this persecution knows no bounds. We are wondering when they are going to come after the lawyers as well. They are now going after the doctors. The idea that the doctor, the primary physician for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, chosen by him, is being intimidated by the government is despicable. The primary goal of everybody should be the health condition of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, not the intimidation of anybody that brings the truth before the authorities. The doctor is a witness of truth, and on that truth we shall stand. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's health condition is very paramount, and everybody should go out there and talk about it. You cannot stand trial if you are not healthy. Thank you very much.
I want to say something very important, because I'm thinking that this ruling favors us. To some extent, the judge said that there is no evidence of extraordinary rendition before him. That is the case of jurisdiction. He has said it. Yes. So we are not entering defense until the court determines it whether he has jurisdiction or not. So the court has given us a hint. We are going to file it and bring the evidence that the court wants. Once it discovers that then the court has no jurisdiction. So let us go with the hope in our heart that the door is not closed. We are going to do it.